everyone, my name is Dina Lisyana. I will fulfill the courses requirement language testing entitled Testing Oral Ability and Testing Reading. Nice. Number 1, testing oral ability. Testing oral ability, the objective of teaching spoken language is the development of the ability to interact successfully in that language. This involves comprehension as well as production. Next, the basic problem in testing oral ability. Number 1, we want to set representative text of the population of oral text that we expect candidates to be able to perform. Number 2, the text solve elicit behavior which truly represent the candidate's ability. Number 3, the samples of behavior can and will be scored validity and reliably. Next, the categorization of the operation or skills is based on Baget. Skill, informational skill, providing personal and non-personal information, describing, giving instruction, comparing, eliciting, apologizing, and age. Number 2, interactional skill, expressing agreement, disagreement, indicating uncertainty or understanding. Number 3, skills in managing interactions, changing the topic of interactions, taking turn in interaction. Next, type of text. Number 1, presentation or monologue. Number 2, discussion. Number 3, conversation. 4, self-read encounter and interview. Next, number 1, other speaker or addresses. Might be equal or equal, status might be no or unknown. Number 2, topics. Topics which are familiar and interesting to the candidates. Number 3, dialect. Standard British English or Standard American English. Next, accents. Standard American. Style, formal or informal. Vocabulary range, non-technical except as the result of preparation for a presentation. Next, rate of speech will vary according to text. Next, number 1, elicit a valid sample of oral ability. A, because appropriate techniques that 3 general formats are present here: interview, interaction with fellow candidates, response to audio or video recorded stimuli. Formal 1 interview, eligible test questions are: number 1, question and request for information, yes or no question should generally be avoided. The 2, request of elaboration, what exactly do you mean? 3, appearing not to understand, in order to see if the candidates can help with being misunderstood. Next, invention to ask question. Is there anything you like to ask me? Next, interruption to see how the candidate deals with this. Next, approach change the topic to see how the candidate deals with this. Next, pictures. Single pictures are particularly useful for eliciting description. Next, role play. This allows the ready exceptional of other language function. Next, interpreting. You can see the example of two candidates this and back 1, 2, 0. Prepared monologue and next reading out loud. Formal 2. Interaction with fellow candidates. Possible techniques. Number 1. Discussion. Text might require the candidates to go beyond discussion and form. Example, take a decision. Number 2. Role play. Role play can be carried out by two candidates with the tester as an observer. Next, formal 3 responses to audio or video or recording. Number 1, describe situation. Number 2, remarks in isolation to respond to. Number 3, simulate conversion. Next, B, plan and structure the testing carefully. Number 1, make the oral test as long as it is feasible. Number 2, plan the test carefully. Number 3, give the candidate as many fresh start as possible. We use the second tester for interviewers. Next, set only text and topics that won't be accepted to cause candidates know deeply in their own language. Next, carry out the interview in quiz room with good acoustic. Next, put candidates at their exit so that they can show what they are capable of. Next, collect enough relevant information. Next, do not take too much. And select interviewers carefully and train them. Next, ada ensure valid and reliable scoring. Create appropriate scales of scoring. Rating scales might be holistic, analytic, skill recruit from to half hour. Accuracy pronunciation must be clearly intelligible even if some influences from L1 remain. Size must be capable of making lengthy and complex contractions where appropriate. Appropriacy, the use of language must be generally appropriate to function and to context. Range, a wide range of language must be available to the candidate. Flexibility, there must be consistent evidence of the ability to translate in a corporation and to adapt to new topics or change or direction. Creating rating scale. Number 1, calibrate the scale to 2 or generally the same price. Users are followed in calibrating speaking scale as were described for weighting scale. Number 2, train scores or as upside to interviewers. The training of interviewers has already been outlined where ratings are involved in the rating of response to audio or video recorded stimuli. Number 3, follow acceptable scoring procedure grade must be taken to improve personal quality of the candidate that irrelevant to assessment of their language ability. Next, conclusion. Conclusion. The accurate measurement of oral ability is not easy. It takes considerable time and effort, including training, to obtain valid and reliable results. Nevertheless, where a test is text or batch-wise is an important consideration, the investment of such time and effort might be considered necessary. We are reminded the appropriateness of content, of rating scale level, and of allocation techniques used in rural testing will depend upon sense of individual institution or organization. And testing reading. Testing reading. Introduction. Reading is an art to comprehend the reader and to be connected to the reader's conceptualization. The art directs to an aesthetic and ability to what is being read. The art refers to us finding out a word reserved from our phrase, sentence, paragraph, and discourse. Comprehending reading content means the ability to understand written text in order to get the gift of what is written. Conceptualization refers to our prior knowledge of the reader that is being narrated, when used as a flavor filter in doing reading. In order to understand what reading is and how to do and improve, it is better to see what Shepherd and Mitchell saw the age. Next, this question. Testing reading seems to be causing sense no understanding what item to be tested. Reading comprehension, fluency, speculations, making the ability, difficulty, and types of the test of the absolutely. Consider L. The following are the discussion of testing reading in the hope a teacher can understanding how to do testing reading for the student. Next, testing and occasion. It is better to distinguish between a text and an assessment. A test is measuring the phase for assessing the achievement of the objectives in training system, which is a set of present for which there is an set of correct answer. The characteristic of a test might be knowledge, ability, attitude, intelligence, age. Testing refers to the way of frequency and or assessment to find out the feedback or response and answer to be assessed at evaluate test. Actually, in L2 is not intended to share judgment whether someone has a mastery or not, whether someone has comprehended or not, or whether someone can be better or not than to be stated as success. Next, assessment is the ongoing process of gathering, analyzing, and reflecting on evidence to make informed and consistent estimation or description to improve student future learning. The purpose of the test are as follows. Number 1, to assess the progress towards the goal or objectives or the training. Number 2, to compare the performance of train with the standard group. Number 3, to improve trains self-understanding and motivation. 4, to diagnose the weakness of the trains in certain area. Next, to promote grade or of the trains. 6, to assess the star of inclusion or curriculum. Next, testing is to assess, measure, compare, improve, diagnose, promote, and evaluate what has been done, and has been in progress. Here are the 3 purposes of assessment as follow. Number 1, assessment for learning. This assessment is done when teacher use inference about student program to inform his or her teaching. This assessment is included in the formative test. Assessment as learning. This assessment is done when a student reflect on and monitor their progress to inform the future learning goals. This assessment is included in informative tests. Assessment of learning. This assessment is done when teachers use advanced on student learning to make estimation on student. Assessment again or standard. This assessment is found in summative tests. Next, be testing reading. In doing tests of reading, it is argued to assess so that we can demonstrate the type of the test appropriately to take out. After deciding the first step, testers saw and the level of tester and the X because X level of guesses for ability, conscious reading ability, preparation for expedition reading that will the tester ability in how to test with her in wheel skimming, searching, reading of scanning or hooks. 2003 Muhammad 1 said when this preparing the assessment, my God, some of the consideration should ensuring that testers spread the making sure that the language used in the text is suitable each head to his or her student. Next, in testing reading comprehension, the 3 are some text to show. 2002 that really use comprehension assessment are heavily focused on only a few text reading for empirical reading for the gift of the meaning and reading to interact dispute for meaning. In doing this task, Microsoft reported and the following is Muhammad recommended. Number 1, encouraging that we sell an appropriate text. Number 2, making sure that the language used in the text is suitable, which had to our student preference. Number 3, scrutinizing carefully the text to ensure that the information each paragraph is tested. Like after going through the preparation, it is then important to judge what level to ask Muhammad said that there are completed 3 my level of standard of comprehension as follows. Literal number 1, literal comprehension is the most obvious. Comprehension at this level involves surface meanings. At this level, teacher can ask student to win information and ideas that are explicit in the text. In addition, it is also operative to text vocabulary. Number 2, interpretive or referential comprehension At this level, students go beyond what is sight and read for their meanings. They must be able to read critically and analyze probably what they have read. Students not to see relationship among ideas. For example, for how these two together and also see the implied meanings of these ideas. It is also obvious that before a student can do this, they have to first understand the ideas that are stated, or literal comprehension. Interpretive or referential comprehension includes thinking process such as driving, conclusion making, realizing, and predicting outcomes. At this level, teacher can ask more challenging questions such as asking students to do the following. Number one, re-arguing the ideas or topic discussion in the text. Number two, explaining the other purposes of reading the text. Number three, summarizing the main idea when this is not explicit in text. Selecting conclusion which can be deduced from the text they have read. Next, three, critical reading. Where bleed ideas and information are evaluated. Critical evaluation, of course, only after our students have studied the ideas and information at this level. Student can be tested on the following skill. Number one, the ability to differentiate between facts and opinions. Number two, the ability to recognize persuasive statement. Number three, the ability to judge the accuracy of the information given in the text. Tests used to measure the candidate's reading comprehension solely based on candidate's level and for various techniques. Conclusion. Each type of testing has different points to consider, but of this not easy to make or do. Every tester should be fair of to prepare, conduct, and involve some important thing to include in the test that is going to conduct. In testing reading, some points should be listed in order to be best encouraging the tester to make prevention should gauge what to ask, determining the level of test and preventing and testing of the interface. Sekian dari saya, kurang lebih mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.